Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus. I'm here with my guy Paul Beats and BS Beats. They're over from Spain right now, we're here in London. So the plan today is we're just gonna cook some beats up. We don't really have a set goal for what we wanna make. We're just gonna start cooking up and see what happens. So let's get into it. What vibe are we thinking? I know we said there's no plan, but how do you wanna start?
You wanna start on a melody?
Yeah. Orchestral? Yeah. Okay, sick. What's your thought process when you're making melodies? Is it like you have some chords that you like to go to?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the typical.
I had a vocal to like every beat. It always just sounds good. Did you want to add anything else, like melody-wise?
I think it's good like this.
Yeah.
Yeah?
If you wanna add anything else,
I think we could maybe, or we could try and flip it. Could like just structure the melody and then like reverse it, chop it up or something. Did you two like grow up together then? You known each other a long time, or you just met through music?
not really, just 1 year.
Oh, okay.
We've been knowing each other 1 year.
Yeah, you just got introduced through music.
Yeah, it's crazy how music can like
Connect people.
connect all the people.
Yeah, for real. Alright, so we've got beat 1 finished, so we'll have a final listen. Sounds nothing like the start. Completely flipped it.
To be honest, I think that this beat will sound better with like a section with only the drums and the wrist bass, you know, without the 808.
Yeah, definitely.
So we can do that, and he can do the 808.
Alright, so we finished the second beat. We'll have a final listen. Preferring the first one or this one?
I think this one is better.
Yeah, I think the energy in this is better. We've got energy for a third one.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Let's do an UK rap.
Yeah. Let's move away from drill. Yeah. Not feeling the sound anymore. It's like some Dr. Dre. It's like pads, but I think they're all made from vocals, so they sound kind of nice. What piano do you prefer, this one or a normal
I
one?
think
The normal.
one. Yeah. I will try something different with the last chord.
Yeah, of course.
Do you have a wrist bass?
Yeah, you could do. I don't have Omnisphere on here, but there's I've got some one shots actually that might work. Straight away.
You like that?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna do like another pattern with like hi-hats.
Like faster. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I usually do for like UK rap beats. I'll have like 8 bars of slow and then it picks up.
You mind if I change the snare?
Yeah, go for it, man. Yeah, I like that one. Alright, so we finished the third beat. Bit of a different style for this one, but we'll have a listen.